Hey, what are we doing? Let's do the deal quick. I'd be at 280 market on this, and these I'd be at 360 market.
Before you take your cut?
Yeah, just market I'm talking about, market price.
Everything else is fine though?
Everything else is fair so far.
Sure.
Anything else? Is this all you have? Or, yeah, I want a lot of those too.
Yeah.
Oh, here, put this right here real quick. I don't really need the peakage. I don't want smaller cards. Just these two. Pass on
I
these.
would like you to grab the smaller ones as well. Oh, the sequential?
Yeah,
I don't mind if you don't take the sequential.
People like this card. You can sell this easily.
Yeah, exactly.
Keep those. This.
Recorrect any of the prices you said for me. Actually, you know,
What did you say?
Lugia
why am I
360.
making you do it?
Lugia 360.
360.
Do you have any alt-art slabs?
You can look in there. I got some new stuff.
This too?
Yeah, these two. I know you look for modern mostly.
Yeah, I see vintage.
I have like vintage stuff.
Maybe tomorrow. Thank you. No. I didn't bring any slabs with me.
You said 290?
280.
280.
Yeah. You can check. There's like 270 sales. What'd you say? 290? Okay, I'll do 290. F it. 290. F it. I don't care. I just need the slab. I don't have time to negotiate right now.
You have a flight or
What? No, the show ends in 15 minutes, bro. And I call you at 3:30.
literally always do this
have a vendor
though.
badge.
Like
You don't have to
even
go
if you would
anywhere.
come at the beginning of the show, you still get your rates. Why are you tripping? Just come.
What do you got? Any of it?
I think it's like 160 or 170.
I can do 160 on it.
Sure. 270 on this.
Which one is that?
Yeah, $5. I think I'm good there. Yeah, that's basically. Is this all you have? Is this yours too?
No.
Okay, you're next. I think. If you have anything left. Is this all you have?
I have. You want my Van Goghs? You want my Van Goghs?
Tens?
Yeah.
How many?
I had 27 today. I have 3 left.
You had 27 PSA 10s?
27.
27s?
Yeah.
What do you value that?
I'll give you them for $245 each.
Okay.
80%.
Done.
Yep.
Done.
Yep.
Yeah, take them.
Yep.
Claim.
Got you.
Claim.
It's all good.
Claim.
I got you. You
Claim.
just got it.
God, I hate my name.
Oh my.
I'm gonna change my name, bro.
I've been hearing that for like a month straight because of you.
Starting next week, Arvin the Pokemon collector. Holy shit. I'll flip you 25 or 26.
25 or 26?
Yeah.
I'm already dropping at 226.
I've lost 4 flips in a row. What is that? It was what, 30? What was the number? What was the actual number?
3098, 3097.
305, right?
Sure. Times 0.97 or 0.87.
85% would be 2,600.
26. We'll do 85.
Huh?
85 straight.
26, 50. Fuck it.
26,
These
26,
have to come in a trade.
50.
Yeah.
Are we really going?
You asked why I didn't send it to PSA.
26,
It's clean though.
26, 50. You know what? Just call it 26, 25.
No flip?
No flip. 26, 26.
All right, that's fine. All right, we got a Gengar VMAX, 2 Lugias, a Glaceon VMAX, Leafeon VMAX, Sylveon VMAX, Jigglypuff Low Pony Tag Team, Eevee Art Rare. I don't know why I got that. Charizard breaks in. Charizard and Charizard V. All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.
On to here. Who's next? Who's next? A bada. Who's next, Habibi? You? Him?
Where's the stuff?
I already bought this stuff. I see the Van Goghs. It looks like a spaghetti
Look, I
meatball.
should've just sold them all to you. You would have bought them all too, huh?
Yeah, I would have.
Why the fuck did I hit you up? I'm such an idiot.
Whose cards are these? Hey, Antoine. What's up with Antoine's hair? What did he do to it?
I don't know. He does something different every time.
No, like the bottom. I've never seen that
You
before.
gotta give him respect though. Like who else does shit like him? You know what I mean?
No, I like it. He's a good looking guy, but he likes taking risks. I appreciate that. Hey, Antoine. I like your interesting hair on the back. What's it called? It's like a mullet with a gap.
It's called the And. The Andy.
I respect it. Let's do this. Okay, is this all you, Antoine?
Mostly.
Okay, I want Magikarp Wailord. I want Tyrant.
All of this.
What? Oh, come on, bro. I'm limited on time. Let's do this.
No, we're gonna give you all of this.
I don't want the Magneton and Executor and Machamp.
Take all of it.
No.
Take all of it.
Okay, so you don't want to do a deal with me, man?
If you want to do a deal with you, but you have to take all of it. Dude, you gave good shit. Look, you know what that is?
I know, but my stream doesn't need that. Just give me the Magikarp Wailord and the Tyranitar. I don't want those. What's market on Tyranitar and Carp? Can I see Tyranitar? Can I see Tyranitar? T-Tar, 140, 150, 140, 150, 144, 145. Market. Can I see the Magikarp? It's not even your card. Is that your card? Oh. Are you half and half? You guys are commingling funds?
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. You guys have no borders, no boundaries.
Like when we're bending together.
What you got for me?
You want 50 PSA 10 slabs under $100.
I thought you were about to say PSA 10 Van Goghs.
They're really good boys.
240 market?
Boy.
This is the last sold, bro.
Give me 260, 260.
250.
325 before.
Yeah, but right before that, 230, 245, 260. Happy?
245, 276, 275.
He just said 260, 260 market. Fuck it. 260, a Tyranitar was 145 market. Add that to that fucking fish stack. 145 on Tyranitar market. Fucking give me that Rayquaza. What's the Ray Wars? 120?
It's literally 120. How'd you know?
How much?
Because I'm a fucking magician.
No, print on yourself, boss.
Because I print on myself.
How much are this again?
It's 145.
It's like 100 to 120.
Yeah, we already added that.
You're buying all this shit, right?
120, fuck it. No. I kind of want this Latios down here. Let me see this Latios. Let me see those cards. I want to see if they're real. I know they're real.
So much different.
Oh, those are fire.
He's like gas.
Those are sick. They used to be 300 a piece.
Keep the QR code.
Keep the QR code. You don't have cards over 200 for me? No Bubble Muse, no cards over 200?
I do, but I want to get rid of the I have someone else. I have someone else I can take you to after this.
Really?
Yes.
Like cooking? Cook Central? Holy shit. Jambalaya?
I want 2%.
Holy shit, you're trying to mega cook.
I want 2%. What? It's
You better buy like a 10K lot at that point.
I honestly,
It's like lunch.
okay, hey, wallahi. Hey, brother.
Yeah.
This is 130 market, and this one is like,
Wallahi, it's not mine, it says.
No, look.
honestly, market's like 260 on the pair. Wallahi.
Wallahi, I love what he says.
This is, it's like 120, 130, bro, and this is like 130.
Look at all the other ones, dude.
What other ones? What are we going to 2022?
What do you mean? That's September 8, 2024.
What about the 4 sales since then? 120, 120, 103, 160?
Yeah, 160.
Glad that's on my card right now.
All right, where you want to be? 140? 140 each?
No, market 260.
Buy you 88.
Market 270. Happy?
Get this one. Get this one.
It's a 10.
That's like 300, 400?
More. It's like a $500.
270.
It's a $500 card.
275. All right, 275 on the pair.
Bro, you're trying to print on me.
I'm not printing. I'm about to take you somewhere else where you got print even harder.
Holy shit, let me go on this angle. Let's switch angles. This is my better side. Get my better side. Wait, whose Van Gogh's half and half?
Mine. I have 27.
Are those packs real?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a real Cosmic pack?
Yeah.
How much you want for it?
The guy gave it to me for free.
Oh, damn, I was trying to buy it. You want to flip for it? Free or 20?
Hey, what else do you have?
$20?
Free or $20?
Then you can buy cards for
All right, what else? What else?
I'm just kidding. Keep it. You might pull a good card.
I want money. I want
I
cash.
want money.
$20.
Give him $20. Give him $20, bro.
No, I said free or 20. Flip.
Give him $20.
You're putting up this too, Daddy.
Please?
Hold on. 1 second. This is too expensive. It's like $450. I don't want it.
Yeah, why not?
No, I don't want it. You take PayPal or Zelle?
Give him $20, bro. You ain't got.
I only.
You can literally make more money too.
You don't have a bank account?
Yeah.
You do have a bank account?
No, I don't.
How am I gonna pay you then?
Cash.
Cold hard cash.
Cold hard
Cold
cash?
hard cash, baby.
Oh, wait. Hold on. I'll flip you for it. Do you know what a coin flip is?
Shrewd negotiator. That's a risk.
That's a risk?
Lose money.
I'll flip
You
you.
got it for free.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, okay.
How much you pay for that?
Hey, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro.
You did not pay $40 for this. Then why would you sell it for 20 if you paid 40?
Because I'm so generous.
Oh, there is.
You feel generous?
I think so. Is that one of the hotel?
This kid's cooking me right now.
Get to work.
All right, how about we flip? Can we flip
15 or 20.
15 or 20? Do you have change?
Yeah.
You have change? I don't believe it. Let me see. You're like a whole banker in here. Okay. Do you have a coin?
No. We can flip this.
What is? We can flip this. What is this?
Flip the gummies.
What's the flip gummy? What's heads?
Gummies, bro.
What?
What's heads?
Obviously, go ahead.
This is heads. What's tails?
Throw it as high in the air as you
You want to throw or I throw? Who calls?
I'm heads.
You're gonna call it? You want to throw it? Wait. How are you gonna throw it? You're just gonna drop it? You're just gonna drop it heads up?
Honestly, I'd give him the money too.
Okay, how about you like?
Just look at the print right now.
How about you throw it over there? Hold on. All right, we're flipping for his Cosmic Eclipse pack. $15 or $20. Don't cancel me.
Wait, are you a YouTube video?
Yeah, kind of.
You're a YouTuber? You're a YouTuber?
I'm a YouTuber. Something like that. All right, hold on. $20 or $15?
$20.
You're going heads?
Yeah.
So if it lands on this side, I'm getting that for 15. You're gonna give me a $5 bill.
Okay, yeah.
Throw it good. Heads. No, tails, tails, tails. Yes! You just got cooked, my guy. No, no, you can't do that. You can't do that. Give me my $5 and I'll give you. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this.
Hand in hand.
Hey, give me my $5, kid. Give me my cosmic pack.
Wait. Here's the bag.
You're not giving my 5? He's not giving my $5. He just lost a flip and he's not giving me $5. Hey, where are your parents at? I need to talk to your parents about
They're
this.
gone.
They're gone?
Abandoned.
What do we say on carp? 260? 250? I forget. I'm adding the cards up.
Not with these, Arvin. Don't.
I know.
Oh, these aren't. Yeah, these are separate. You want to add them in?
Wait, what did you value the Mewtwo and the Charizard at? 125 you said?
Yeah. It's 1,800 total.
1,500 and he said, what, how much you want mangoes? 240 something? What did you say?
245.
2240 is what I can pay you.
No, do these separate.
Okay. We'll just minus,
Separate. So you're gonna pay me separate.
what did I just say on this? 1,500.
1,550.
No.
Why not? I'm about to take you somewhere else. 70%.
Flip 15 or 1550.
You
Flip.
better hurry up.
Flip 15 or 1550. Let's go.
15 or 16.
No.
Let's do it.
No, 15 or 1550 flip.
Bro, you just gave a kid 20 bucks. Where's the coin?
260.
flip the grading card.
market.
85 per. No, I'm not flipping the graded guard.
Let's go.
Habibi, 85% is 1,500. He wants to do 1550. I'm like 15. I said flip.
You always
flip.
do it.
Hold on.
You do like 87%
Pause.
for us, right?
Flip 15 or 1550.
15 or 16.
Usually you
Flip.
do like 87, like 89 for us.
Listen. 15 or 1550.
87 for us, right? 50. We always give you shit, and you always pay us out, right? That's all it is.
Okay. 15, 20, 1550. Flip with the graded guard. Fuck it.
15, 20, or 1580.
No.
What do you mean? Go.
Hurry up. Throw it.
All right, ready?
Wait.
Heads or tails?
15, 20 or 1550.
15, 20, or 1580, bro.
What's heads?
Heads, tails. You want to flip or I flip?
You throw it right here.
Oh, you're using the graded guard now?
All right, ready?
Throw it.
Got his own one.
Throw it.
Heads or tails?
Yeah. Tails. I won, right? That's tails. 15, 20. Go, dude. Boom. Fuck.
Got it. You fucker. It bounced at the very end.
God damn it. I love graded guard. So bouncy. Let me show the slabs. All right. We got Shiny Rayquaza, Tyranitar, Magikarp, Wailord, Latios, Japanese. Cool cards there. Umbreon, Japanese, Aquapolis, PSA 9. Flashfire, Charizard in a 10. And this Delta species Mewtwo in a 9.
All right, brother. I appreciate it.
Do I pay separately on those?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta get these.